Hi guys, so I'm giving you guys a tour of the Margaritaville at Sea Islander. This is the partial balcony room. So this is the entry to the room right here. And on the sides they have pictures. And then on my left side we have a lamp. And the lamp, it comes with a USB so you guys can charge your phone. And then this side, I think this is a USB-C, but I'm not sure. This is the bed. And on the other side as well, it has the same thing, USB, so you can charge your phone. And that's that. And then over here, it has the telephone. And then it also have a plug, but it only has one plug, and that's the phone plug. And it has a mini fridge, so you guys can put your water, your juice. It has a seat for you ladies to do your makeup or whatever you want to do. And it also has a blow dryer for you to use. This is an extra space that's in the cabin. They have tissues, a TV. They have 2 cups, a remote. The waters is $4.95, and then it has this where you could fill it with ice. I can't get it open. And then this is just some extra space that's here. And then we have extra room. This is closet space. We just put our stuff in there. And hangers, more space. And then the life jackets are up there, more space. It also has a safe up there to put your belongings in. And then this is the bathroom. The bathroom is very small, but it can fit 2 people if you're a couple. It has shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and then towels, toilet paper, extra toilet paper down there. This is the toilet, and it has trash bin. And then over here it has 2 glasses, and then these are just our personal items that we brought. And then it has washcloth, hand towel, and then towel for you to use, or you can bring your own. And then it has hand wash right there, a mini mirror, and then the large mirror, a sink as well, and then soap to wash your hand. Now to go outside, this is the balcony. You can go outside view. Lots of space out here. There's 2 chairs, and then there's a B chair right there. It's not too bad, but that's it.